Hello, my dear students. Uh, Today we're just going to discuss about economics. How economical theories are applied into your daily life, and economics is a simple concept you may think, but how it has been applied into your daily life and how it is used, we're just going to analyze. You see, there is a concept of rich and poor. Who is a rich and who is a poor? It is a common sense that the person who has money is a rich and person who doesn't have money is a poor. See here, nobody is born with a silver spoon. Okay, like each and everybody enhance their lifestyle only by their own struggle, right? Like everybody has earnings, even beggar has earnings. That is nothing but if he invests properly, if he saves the money properly, that is nothing but if he does a proper financial management, he can take his life to next level for sure. So that is the concept of economics. So we shall deeply analyze the concept with a beautiful example. So this is the example which I have prepared. See, I've taken the case of person A and person B. See, these both are bachelors, and they are not committed to any financial burdens. Like we shall see what kind of expenses they make every month, and their basics, both basic salaries is 20K and 20,000 they are earning every month. And we shall just see first in case of person A spends for food is spending 3,000, that is 3K, and for accommodation he's spending 5,000, and for transportation he's spending 2,500. Mobile recharge and any other expenses, if it is there, he's spending rupees 500. And entertainment expenses is of like 1,000 rupees we can keep, and other any miscellaneous expenses for the month will be like 1,000 rupees. That's enough. In case of B, also the same, only he's spending for everything, that is 3,000 he's spending for food, 5,000 for accommodation, 2,500 for transport, 500 for mobile, 1,000 for entertainment, and as well as other expenses will be 1,000 rupees. So we total up their every month standard expenses is 13,000. So this will be a standard expenses. So we shall just come to person A, what he is doing with the rest of the money which he has. The balance 7,000 rupees he'll be having in 20,000, that is his basic pay is 20K, and he'll be spending 13,000, so balance will be 7,000, right? So this 7,000 he saves every month, so that every month he'll going to be saving this money in span of 2 years, so that he going to save rupees 1,68,000 rupees in a span of 2 years. He is going to save this much of money, so that is he want to save this money. And he's not just keeping this money into the bank, he's just dividing this money into two, that is 84,000 rupees into bank and another 80,000 rupees he's investing in some second account. From that he's getting some interest, like he's getting rupees 4,000 interest. When it comes to 80,000, it comes around 5%. I'm just making a rough figure, so that in 80,000 5% is 4,000. So he's getting 4,000, and that goes to his bank account, and he's not touching this. What 84,000 is, he's on rotation, but this 4,000 will go to his bank account every month. So like uh his goes to his bank account, like his 7,000 savings plus his 4,000 interest is equals to 11,000. So that in span of 2 years again becomes 2,64,000. So in span of 4 years, 2,64,000 is a decent money which he has saved by his own. That is only 20K is earning, but in span of 4 years he have saved 2,64,000. So like that is something but this is the money which he has in the bank account, but he will also have a second account that is 84,000. That is second account he'll be earning. He can withdraw the money and he can use it. So that is an investment running in partially. So 4 years a time period of completing graduation, right? In that time period, he's saving this much of money, and he's not called as rich, but he's safe. That is nothing but actually he's safe, and he don't need to worry about money. He already has some money, and he don't need to worry about money in case of any emergency or anything. Moreover, typically he can be called as rich. But we shall see what person B is doing. Okay, but person B is a typical, what, he's not an economical kind of person. He want to just show off his like he want to buy a fancy bike and a good phone, mobile. Only thing is, see, this bike and mobile is an debt investment. So that if you have money in your hand, that is, if you have excess money in your hand, you can invest into the bike and mobile. But what person B is doing is he's buying this bike and mobile in EMI. That is, he's taking a blank loan and he's investing on bike, and so that he's left over same 7,000 rupees. On bike he invests 5,000 rupees EMI, and for mobile he's paying 2,000 rupees EMI, so that his 20,000 basic salary ends there. He's not saving any money there. His 20,000 is being completely used. Completely it has been used. So this person, how many years, okay, how many years he earns the same financial status he will be having, because he doesn't saves any money, his financial status will be the same. So that in a span of 4 years, his salary may rise up to 30,000 only. So that is nothing but he will increase his commitment, like he will add house loan extra. For that he'll be paying some 10,000 rupees EMI, and he'll spend all 30,000, and moreover he's not saving any money, and this kind of person is called as poor, even though he has a fancy bike, and also even he has a good mobile with him. Appearance, by appearance he may look rich, but end of the day his bank balance is zero, and he's end of the day is a poor. But this guy looks, what, he doesn't look fancy, and he'll be very subtle and silent, and uh, very simple. But this guy will be having some decent amount in his bank account. For example, I will tell this EMI story. That is, he's buying a bike. For example, bike worth is somewhat like 1 lakh rupees bike he's buying. Like, as soon as the bike is out of the showroom, once the bike is out of the showroom, it value depreciate for sure. For example, the value depreciate to 70,000. For the 70,000 worth of asset, okay, he'll be paying a bank interest for 1 lakh rupees, that is 30,000 rupees extra interest he'll be paying. So that is the concept of electronic gadgets. So electronic gadgets of the bike is a dead investment. So don't go for any EMIs. For EMI option, as soon as, for example, you have 10 lakh rupees with you, you can spend 1 lakh rupees on bike. That is for sure. That is nothing but 9 lakh rupees you'll be having in your hand. 1 lakh rupees bike, that is 10 lakh. If you have 10 lakh rupees with you, you can buy a 1 lakh rupees bike. That's not a sin. So that is the concept. I'm not telling that you should always save money, and should not show off and everything. You can show off, and you can upgrade yourself, luxury and all. You can upgrade your luxury and everything. That's not a problem. But have money, and afterwards have money in your hand. After that you can do anything. So this is the basic economical theory. So just apply this in your life, and just follow my channel. This is NKR Academy. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.